Let me show you how we can add bullet points to our text frame in Affinity Publisher. So here's my text frame. I paste some text to it already, and now I want part of it to be as the bullet point list. If you select only the part of the text and then you try to apply the bullet point here from the top menu, unfortunately I got only one bullet point at the beginning of the paragraph. So what we need to do first is we need to split that using Enter or Return on your keyboard. Take a look. This is separate. This is separate line. This will be separate line, and there's the rest of the text below. Alright, so now I can select those separate elements, and if I add bullet points to this area only now, I will have a proper bullet point in front of it. Of course, you can make it as the order list as well using the second button here at the top with numbers. If you need to modify the text properties, fonts, and all those small details, go to Characters and Paragraph sections here on the right. If you cannot see those properties, you can always head to View or Window and turn on the area of the interface that you need to use right now, or use one of those quick access buttons here at the top, Character, this is the letter A, or over here, Paragraph. If you got them docked here, you will just highlight them, but if they are switched off completely, you will get this pop-up here. Alright, so that's how you can add bullet points and modify some settings for your text frame in Affinity Publisher. See you in the next tutorial.